Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to add Instagram on TikTok. But before we start, make sure to follow the video till the end and subscribe to the channel. First, open the TikTok application on your mobile device. Then, navigate to your profile. Now tap on the three horizontal lines located at the top right corner. Here, tap on Settings and Privacy. Now tap on Account. Next, tap on Switch to Business Account. Then tap on Next. You will need to tap on Next multiple times. Here, you need to choose the category that best fits your account. Then, tap on Next. You can enter your email address, or you can skip this option if you prefer. Here, you can add your bio. Now it's completed. Go back to the main profile page and tap on Edit Profile. Scroll down and tap on Instagram. From here, you can easily link your Instagram account to your TikTok profile. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.